All right, well, here's an out of the ordinary video for me. But this might be just like something that's necessary now on all JK. So everything 07 to 18 pretty much has these brakes. So these little guys, and I think they are 12-inch brakes and single piston caliper. Pretty small, right, for brakes. Here we go, JL. So this is, we used our VIN number or our JL, so 2021 JL, just a regular, not a Rubicon, not a, super JL, but just a JL. And now we got what, 13, strong 13, so we gained an inch. And then now we're gonna use the calipers too. So 2-piston caliper, and we're going to use the pads, so they're bigger. That's actually a bigger pad. I mean, I don't have another pad here, but it's definitely bigger. Bigger pad, bigger caliper, bigger rotor, small rotor, smaller. Oh, yeah, right here, huh? So, yeah, look at that. Look at the pad size. It's like tiny. So, small caliper, small pad, small rotor. It's it's like a no-brainer. It's like under $400, and then you got to do a little trimming. So here it is installed, right? Bolted right back up. Brake line went back on. Everything all went back together nice. All worked out. Have to trim the backing plate a little bit because the caliper's bigger, right? So, man, huge upgrade. So now you go faster. Now you can stop faster, and it's not. Used to cost $1,000 or $700 or whatever for some aftermarket brake things or whatever, but these are a lot cheaper, under 400. So here's what we had. You can kind of see it. And this is the standard JK deal. 07, 18 JK is pretty much it. That's how they all are. This guy's got some faux caliper covers. I mean, now he doesn't need faux caliper covers. Now we got big calipers. So not painting them red, but yeah, I mean, it's all easy peasy. We just took this junk off. Single piston, little pads, dual piston, bigger pads, another inch rotor for under $400. It's like, bam. This should probably be a Hemi requirement. Probably all of our Hemi jobs are probably gonna need brakes now, because this is pretty cool. Easy peasy too, just a brake job. It's not like we're modifying much, except for I had to cut a little bit off right here on the top and bottom for the vacuum plate. So right here, had to cut a little, and I had to cut up on the top, a little chunk of metal there so the caliper could fit. So easy peasy. Brake upgrade on the cheap. And it's, you could use quality stuff. You can get whatever, it just bolts on. So, man, this is awesome. Direction I would go, putting a Hemi in, definitely do these brakes, because I'm sure this thing's going to stop awesome. We'll be test driving, but we have a JL. We know how it stops, so this should be about the same. And I have these big brakes on our JK, and I put them on in 16, 17, I don't know, and it stops good, but more's better, right? A little's good, more's better. It's my motto here. All right, well, we're going to put these together and go for a drive. All right, Jeep Speed Shop, big brake job out.